Now, checking your car's oil is essential to engine health. We're going to show you how simple and easy it really is. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is park on a level surface and turn off the engine. Pop the hood by pulling the hood release lever inside your car. Lift the hood and secure it with a provided prop rod if your car has one. Locate the oil dipstick. It's usually yellow or orange and has a ring or handle. Carefully pull out the dipstick. Wipe the dipstick clean with a cloth or lint-free paper towel. Fully reinsert the dipstick into the oil reservoir, then remove it again to get a new reading. There will be markers that indicate the range your oil level should be within. Now, some manufacturers have sensors inside the engine that will give you a digital readout. If you have a newer car with this feature, please refer to your owner's manual for the proper procedure. If the oil level is below the minimum mark, add oil as needed. Well, that's how easy it is to check your car's oil level. Regular checkups will keep your engine running smoothly.